Are you encountering issues with Hamster Kombat on your iPhone? Then, this guide will walk you through a series of troubleshooting steps to get you back to battling your adorable hamsters in no time. If you're having trouble with Hamster Kombat, if you are simply not being able to load the game up, or if the application is simply not working, then here are some troubleshooting steps you can follow. The first thing you'll need to do is to check for network connectivity. Ensure that your mobile device is connected to a stable internet. Weak connection can cause issues loading the game or performing actions within it. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi or cellular data and make sure that you have the stablest internet connection. Once you have it, go ahead and force close the application. Swipe upwards from the bottom of your iPhone and this will bring up the app switcher. To force close the Telegram app, swipe upwards. You can also force close any other application running on the background. After you are done with it, the next thing you would want to do is to look for the update for your Telegram app. Open the App Store and search for Telegram in the search box. If there is an update available for Telegram Messenger, you will be able to see it on the page. Tap on the update button if available to download the latest version of Telegram, and once you are sure you've done that, tap on the open button to open Telegram Messenger again. Now go ahead and connect to Hamster Kombat and see if it works. If you're still not being able to load the Hamster Kombat, then you can also go ahead and try reloading the page. Tap the three dots at the top right and click on Reload Page and wait for a few seconds. Also, get back to the main home page of Telegram and tap on the Settings button at the bottom right. From the Settings menu, tap on Data and Storage. Now click on the Storage Users button at the top and click on Clear Entire Cache button. Click the red Clear Entire Cache icon in the pop-up. Once you've cleared out cache from your Telegram app, try opening up Hamster Kombat again. If that still does not work, then you should consider reinstalling the app. Go ahead and find the Telegram Messenger app from your app drawer and press hold to it. Within a second, you will receive a pop-up where you can tap on Remove App. Click the Delete App button twice and delete the Telegram application from your device. Now, get back to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Telegram Messenger and reinstall the app again. This will remove any corrupted data or file that might be hindering its functionality. Wait for the Telegram Messenger app to install again, and once it does, open the Telegram app and try signing in again. Log into your account like you normally do with your phone number. After you are signed into Telegram account again, go ahead and open up the Hamster Kombat bot and see if that fixes the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to address the Hamster Kombat not working issue. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.